Welcome to more IFC. It is what it is. Very simple, easy to do this kind of placket. It's very simple and easy. I'm gonna give you all the tips, all the explanation, all the details that you need. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment and click on notification bell. It is what it is. Look how beautiful, how amazing that's been done. Very simple. You just have to follow my lead and you can do it. So let's get started. This is the black fabric I'm going to use. I've put in facing, fusing on it. That is 2 inches by 15 inches. Just cut 2 inches by 15 inches, and this one's 2 inches. Have the same length. It is what. Just follow my lead. You can do it very simple and easy. This is 4 inches by 15 inches as well. The black fabric that I'm using, you can decide to use the same fabric. If you want to use the same fabric, you can use it. Because I want mine to be designed, that's why I'm using the black as the middle. There is 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches. Everything is 2.5 by 2.5. You can make it 2 inches if you want it to be small. Going back to, and you can see how I'm folding. I fold it like this. I divide it into 2, then I divide that one also into 2. So this small one is 1 inch by 1 inches. Open it like this. You see, fold it like this, then you fold it, make it. You draw, you make your prime. Very simple and easy. It is what it is. Take your time and fold. That middle line that we made, so you need to fold it and fall on that line nicely and beautifully. You have to do this one like 8 times different. I'm gonna add another 1 or 2 trays for you to understand. Just have to cut 2 inches by 2 inches or 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches. Very simple. 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches. Then you just have to fold. Then you folded it like this for you to guide you. This is the middle line. Then you divide it like this. You form your prime. Very simple and easy. I cut the same thing like 8 times. For reference, you can cut it like 10 times. It's better you have access than not having access. But I can't, just like it was 8 times. I can't be doing all of that, so I just have to show you like 3 or 2. Then I bring up the rest. So you can see this is it. There are 8. I have it done. So let's get on to the sewing machine. You see how I'm putting it. This is how I'm supposed to put. First of all, I'm going to measure from the above. I want my distance to be equal. So I measure 1.5. So you can see that is 1.5. Do that 1.5, as you can see. You can pin it, or you can just sew it like that. I'm going to use another one as a guide for me to get the same angle equally. You see, I've put in one aside there. I'm not going to sew on top. I'm going to leave that as a guide so that I'll put the rest to the next. Very simple. After that, I'm going to lift that one out there. I'm not going to put it on this one after the other. No, I want to finish one line before I finish another line. So you can see, then I take it, then I put it like that, then I put the next. Let me turn the camera for you to see it clearly. So I'm using that one as a guide. Then I'll put the rest there. That's what I've been doing. So after that, it's easy to put this one in there, just like that. Then just do stop stitch. See, very simple and easy. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, comment, ask question. If you want to compliment, you compliment. If something bothers you, you can ask, don't hide it, and give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. That is high five. It is what it is. I'll post videos every Sunday, and sometimes on Monday if I couldn't able to post it on Sunday. So it's important you click on notification bell, so anytime I post a new video, you'll be updated. It's more IFC, it is what it is. Make sure the distance are equal. So as you can see, so I'm going to use this 2 inches by 15 inches, as you know, and I'm going to sew at the tip. You can sew 1/4 of an inch, you can sew 1/2 of an inch. It's up to you how you want that place to be. 1/4 of an inch or 1/2 of an inch. You can sew that, and you're still gonna get the same result. So after that, I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Make sure if you sew 1/4 of an inch, make sure you sew the other place to 1/4 of an inch. If it is 1/2 of an inch that you are sewing at that part, make sure you sew 1/2 an inch at that part as well. Both places supposed to have the same inches. Don't go and sew other place half and sew other place 1/4 of an inch. Nah. Smash the like button and subscribe if you are new to this channel. It is what it is, more IFC. So you can see how beautiful it has been done. Very simple and easy. Let's get on the ball. Let me put some iron on it. So let's go and do it together. So you just have to have an iron. You iron it like that. Then you flip it here like that. You're gonna see, you're gonna form it very simple. You do the same thing to the other side. It's more IFC. It is what it is. That's it. So you see that come very beautiful and easy, looking nicely and beautiful. Easy as ABCD. Simple and easy. From here I think you can continue, because we have done a lot of plackets on my channel, different style. If you have not seen it, you have to check it out. Different style. I've done a lot of placket. You can see how beautiful it is. So make sure you check the other placket. But we are still not done yet. I'm gonna teach you how to sew it, and you know how to sew it. So this is my front yoke. Very simple. This is the wrong side. I put the right side. right side together, then I sew on top. Make notches so that when you turn it over to the wrong side, when you give it an iron, that place will look smooth, nice. It is what it is. When we are cutting the fabric, you have to look for the center. That is where the work is going to take place. Sorry for the shaking of the camera. I don't know if my camera. So you fold it, beautifully. Just make sure that everything forms beautifully. Make sure everything is fixed at the tip. As you can see, you can sew on top though, but I don't want to sew on top. I don't want the thread to be seen, so you just have to. I'm making it 6 inches. Like I said, from here, if you have been following how to do a placket, I know you know how it goes, but there are certain parts that I really need to teach you on that. I wouldn't want to show you. That's why I've been doing all this kind of stuff for you to get it. So stay tuned and keep on watching. There's another place I need to know. You need to know how to fix that one. It's more IFC. It is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Click on notification bell. Ask question if you have a question to ask. Free your mind. See something. Don't. Just see something. See something. Smash the like button and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. So you make a notches at the angle. I have different style of plackets, different style of placket. So I advise you check that one out. So you fold this part and double fold it, then you sew on top. If you know how to do this part, don't jump yet, because there's something that I need to teach you, so you have to stay tuned. Something that I need to teach you at that part, so stay tuned and keep on watching. So you fold this part again, you make sure the place is matched. If there's a bumpy that shows up, you just have to cut off that part off. Cut that part off and make sure you fix, make sure it lies perfectly. So this is the place that we're going to sew. Pay attention to what I'm going to show you. We are not going to sew on top, we're going to sew on this angle. That part, that's the place that we're going to sew. That's the place that we're going to sew. Not on top, but in between, that's the place that we're going to sew. So I'm going to go round and round and round. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, comment, click on notification bell. If you have not subscribed yet, you have not given me a thumbs up. I don't know what you're waiting for. I've did all these things for you guys, so you should appreciate it and give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. For more videos, for more updates. It is what it is. I just fold it at the tips because I want the middle, to lie down perfectly, the middle to show. I'm still sewing at the angle. I'm not sewing on the top of it. I'm not sewing on the top. It's not on the top of it. Just in the angle in between. When I reach this part, I just want making it upstitch. I just want to. You can't upstitch at that part too, but I don't want my thread to be shown, so I just jump from that part. You make sure that in the prime, there's a line inside. You make sure that you get to that part and you go through in the middle of it, not on top of it, exactly in the middle, so that you don't see. It is what it is. That's it. So be done. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting, thank you for subscribing. It's more IFC. It is what it is. You can see that we didn't sew on top. When you look at the placket, you don't see no thread in front. It is what it is. Yeah, God bless you, everybody. God bless you all. That's it.